head. I'm doing something a little bit different. We'll give this a try to see how it works out. With this up for my hydraulic assist steering right now, just because I was hoping it would hold up. Double shear that I've seen off the internet to try to see if second take maybe. Here's what I come up with. Not bad looking. I mean, I sit like this, gives me a nice little platform. $100, maybe not. If it don't work, back to the drawing board. I can maybe come up with something working with. I mean, my Jeep's just a project, building it from scratch. So I had to do a little bit of stuff off camera because my camera died. Of course. I haven't welded yet. I'm about ready to start smoother, and I'm going to probably ground some more stuff off when I get time. Hanging out, checking this out. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully you'll come. A little hot right now. I can't really get too close. That way it's a little bit. Got good. Hopefully it's looking good. Kind of iffy on my welds, but with that being said, man, thank y'all for hanging out. Check now. I'm gonna finish up grinding down, smoothing out these and neat. So here we go. Point in time, but like I said, enough in there. I feel like I got good penetration. That being said, I will get a picture of it when it's mounted to the Jeep. That way y'all can see it.